Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says a unit vector in the plane of this and this. So, we need a unit vector in the plane this and this and perpendicular to this. Now, does this statement strikes you of something? Exactly, vector triple product. So, in vector triple product, VTP, if we need a vector perpendicular to the plane this and this, we should give priority to these two vectors. Suppose the first vector is A, second vector is B, so we will give priority to these two things because in this plane only we want a vector. And then cross with the third vector C. Okay, now let's open this part. So you know that who is in the middle? Vector B is in the middle. So you will write B minus. Now what is the leftover thing in the bracket? A. So write A. Now if we are handling vector B, what are the remaining vectors? A and C. So go with A and C. Now if you are handling vector A, what are the remaining vectors? B dot C. Okay. So first find out A dot C. So I with I, J with J, K with K. So it is 1. Sorry. It is 2. It is 2. It is 1 time B vector minus B dot C. So it is 2, it is 1, it is 2. So it is vector A. So if you'll observe, 5 is common in both the situations. Okay, so I will take 5 common. Now it is vector B minus vector A. Okay, let's do the simplification. So B minus A is what? I minus I 0. J minus 2j is minus j. 2k minus k is k. So we got this thing as minus 5j plus 5k. So suppose that this is vector P. So we got a vector P which is 100% in the plane containing these two vectors and 100% it is perpendicular to this vector. But what is the required component? The required thing was a unit vector. So we don't want P, we want P cap. So can I write P cap as minus 5j plus 5k upon root 25 plus root 25 plus 25. Okay, so it is 5 root 5. Okay, so now you can handle this situation. Therefore the required quantity is this. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.